isnamen chua ka jela kalau shongshit bha hadin baki bor penyat kila jitlang ya kan nongba Shillong banyo pelong katu kat ni teli ki lempung hile kai jong ka Durand Cup tang kata doyo iru baki paidbah kila kani wat banyo ya ketiket Hato baka sorkar jela kala hap bantu kelar ban bono de ki fan park ha kabala bu kum ki giant screen ngani ki TV he ban pen I live lang ya kani ke jingya khun ha ki jaka paidbah menta kani ke lempung hile kai sa shisien kala poi biang ha ka nongba but ya kini ki trophy la pelat paidbah ha kani ke sngi balang a state convention center do menteri rangma ka jela ringkan ke jingdan lang ki he shipai ba kynhup yo menteri ka tnad ile kai ke jela ba shakliar warjri kumju ru u air marshal suraj seng u air officer commanding in chief jongka eastern air command nelor kiwe ki he shipai bat ki he sorkar Kamadan JN Complex karayo ban pelong hado prateli ki jingya khun kan ni kalempung kan sedang naduh ka arpulai terek unai tung hado ka arpulai terek unai weng mentau sngi
Sports as a whole has grown so much in our state, be it any sports. Recently, we just had the program where we distributed checks to all the associations. That has never been done in the entire country. This is a testament of the government's dedication towards ensuring that ensuring that we provide the best for the people of our state, for the athletes of our state, because we want to see sports grow as a whole. And I do believe that it is not that maybe tomorrow or maybe in 10 months or a year or two, but whatever we're doing now, I believe that in 5 years, in 10 years to come, the results will show.
Host this, and we're very proud of our armed forces. And even in the recent months, we all know the kind of operations that were held during the Operation Sindoor, and the way our armed forces have made us proud and have really been able to give a very, very strong and fitting reply to the enemy. It makes us all proud, and therefore I take this opportunity on behalf of the citizens and the people of our state of Meghalaya, in the presence of our Lieutenant General as well as our Air Marshal and all the other armed forces, to let you know that we are indeed very proud of the service that you gave to our as a nation. Friends, I also would take a few minutes to share, of course, our story of sports in our state, which has been something very special and very close to our heart. And the reason why this is so important is because we believe that sports is a very integral part of the upbringing of our youth and a very integral part of the overall holistic development of our youth. And sports is very critical, keeping in mind that India being a young nation and the Northeast and Meghalaya being even a younger nation, younger state compared to even the rest of India. And therefore it is absolutely necessary for our states to focus on youth-related activities so that we are able to really encourage them, we are able to create the right discipline, the right character building, and keep them engaged in different activities. And therefore sports has played a very important role, and this entire thought process has driven the strategy, driven the policy and the actions that we have taken when it comes to sports. I'm very happy today that MSOA working president is here, and he will share with you and tell you that the way government has supported sports in the last 7 years has been very, very, very different, and at a different level compared to what it was in the years before. Whether it is the support to the different associations, whether it's the tournaments that we are having, whether it's the Meghalaya games that we are hosting, whether it's the investments we are making in the manpower, whether in the selection processes of ensuring that scientific process is used for building up athletes for the future. All of this is being done in a very, very strategic manner with a goal, as mentioned by the Honorable Sports Minister,